G'day guys, guess where I am today? It's a bit of a hint for you. It's down south. It's something I've never ever done before, somewhere I've never ever been before. Where have I never been before? Mexico, that's right, Mexico.
Mexico!
Oh, look who's with me. Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. Are we gonna walk across this border?
We're just gonna walk our two little feet to Mexico.
Yes.
And I was in Mexico last week.
You
You've
were?
never been there.
No. Are we just gonna walk across and that's it? That's that all you do? Just
We're
literally...
getting Mexican food.
Josh, you don't understand. In Australia, if I was to walk across the border, I'd drown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't walk to New Zealand.
No. The place we visited was Los Algodones. I don't even think I'm saying that correctly, but it is known as the Molar City. Why? Because there was a dentist on every single street, corner, next to each other. It was incredible. Josh, have a
Yes.
look. I'm telling you now, lucky we walked across because at the moment now, see behind us,
Yeah.
these are getting back into the US. the line so far, I'm going to say, is about 2 mile long.
I think the mile's all the way to Puerto Vallarta or something.
I don't know where that is.
That's really far away. I kid.
Yeah, very good. Lucky we walked across. If you're going to do this, I think on feet is the best. And what 2 words must you learn here?
No gracias.
No gracias.
Like
no
this person
gracias.
right behind us is
Yeah.
wanting something from
Yeah,
us.
no gracias. I know, so do I. No, thank you. Josh,
What?
so we've just come through customs, straight through the border,
Yeah.
0 wait, 0 people in front of us, unlike the 2.5 hours that people were standing in line for yesterday.
Yeah,
How good is that?
Come on Sunday.
Now, this border crossing for me would have to have been the easiest border crossing.
Yeah.
I got asked 2 questions. What were you doing in Mexico? I said, a lunch. And who are you traveling with? I said, this guy.
That's what got him through so fast, because they're looking at me and like, whoa, that guy looks trustworthy.
Meanwhile, this guy.
True.
How many questions did you get asked?
I got like at least 4 questions.
4 questions, and you have a US passport.
It's crazy.
It's border
And look
control.
at, watch, wait for it. We're back in America.
back in US soil. Oh man, look, he's still got his sunglasses on. Have a look. Ready? I'm going to turn it around. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Look at that sunset.
I can see clearly now. The rain is gone.
And so is the sun.
there was no rain. There's
No.
never rain.
No, we'll turn back around. It's better lighting. Turn back around. Okay. Look at that. Oh, beautiful lighting.
Church, statue.
Mexico, how cool was that today? Unbelievable, sensational. Those margaritas hit the spot, and so did that mega event and a mega beer. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.